everybody, this is Anime Game Otaku 95. Last episode, I barely started to play Ratchet and Clank with a part game, and it all started where Ratchet and Clank were celebrating their hero anniversary, and then Dr. Matthias appeared out of nowhere and stole the dimensional, or whatever that machine is called. He wanted to steal it so he could create some portals to another dimension, and he wants to go to a dimension where apparently he won and he takes over the planet. So Ratchet and Clank got dragged into the various crazy dimension plan, and well, here's some bad news. Ratchet and Clank got separated because of the dimension explosion, and then there's another wombat named Rivet. She took Clank, and now she's supposed to take him back to her hideout in a different planet, but first they kind of crash landed, and now they need to go to Rivet's hideout by walking on foot. So what's gonna happen next? Let's go play. Okay, apparently, Rivet, she's another wombat, and okay, apparently she got the same health like Ratchet, so maybe if I manage to level up with her, maybe it'll help Ratchet to be stronger. So I gotta go make my way over there. Uh-oh. I guess it's this way. Whoa!
Great! There's a secret right over my hideout. I haven't been out this
Secret?
Got a lot of swamp acid between here and the Mortz's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. Soon as I can get close enough.
Yeah, looks like I need to catch one.
Beetle wasps!
Uh-oh.
Can you read me? Oh dear. My communicator must be broken.
Of course.
Yeah, I better go refill my ammo, so I'll be right back. Yeah, I can't activate shotgun because there's some enemies around. Oh no, and I'm gonna be dead. Oh, okay, now I could activate her now.
This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
What's this?
Who doesn't love a day in the sun? Rooting your enemies into the ground with the topiary sprinkler. Spun a turret that warps your foes into defenseless, trimmable hedges.
Ooh, that sounds like a cool weapon. But I still don't have enough, so guess I'll just refill my health for now.
Sweeter than the smell of gunpowder.
Oops. Better change my weapons. Come on. No.
You dispatched them quite capably.
Where's that speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
No.
And the last speedle runs into that rift thingy. Alright, so
Okay, let's see.
this place.
Whoa.
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff? Hey, it's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speedle.
No, don't hide! Ah,
Hitting its neck.
hello there.
Whoa.
Dear.
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Morts.
Okay, so apparently this creature can move by itself, so I gotta be careful not to bump any of the explosion boxes. Ah!
Now, if we could get away from this acid.
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts!
Whoa, that was so cool.
Look out!
I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash.
Ow.
Please be careful.
And use this class.
Backseat driving.
Oh, apparently I could get another one. Okay. I don't have to worry too much about messing up big time.
Stop! There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
See? They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey, I know where you can find a Lombax.
Another Lombax? Tell us where your friend is, Rosarino.
Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
Ow. Ooh, and I level up my health. Nice. Uh-oh. Okay, the coast is clear.
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. Well, next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Okay, I guess I need to go inside there, so let's jump in.
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
Wait, but can't you do it one-handed? I mean, you're missing no. Oh, okay. Never mind. You got two hands.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading
Or could be
eruption that will
anything.
soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are, Clank. Former warbot, teamed up with the Lombax. Became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father?
You might just be the one I've been waiting for. Would you like to help me fix the dimensions?
You know how to fix the dimensions? And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere.
Okay, Clank is still punch and hit. So, wait, what anomaly? This one?
This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead, you will begin to repair this anomaly.
Yeah, and I already.
Meta-terminal, and you'll be
Oh.
one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
I feel like things are slowly starting to make sense. Dimensionally speaking.
Ah, a speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier. This field, do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimension
Oh.
I've seen.
Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, okay. Looks like better be careful. Ah! Oh, whole triangle. Oh, let's see. Maybe I could. Oh, okay. I guess I could pick this up again and let's see. Nope. Let's see. Oh, there you go.
Redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
Let's see. How to activate it?
I wonder if some extra speed could help my possibilities cross this gap.
Oh, okay. I guess I could bring it back here. Let's see, nope. Ah! Okay, I guess I can just draw it here. Yeah, looks like my copies are not even... Nope.
I wonder if some extra speed could help my possibilities cross this
Ooh, there you go. Now I just need to switch the buttons and...
Outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this, Clank.
gap. I am cautiously optimistic. I feel myself learning something by completing these puzzles, but I cannot explain what it is.
The words will come to you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
If I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that. I'm afraid a dimensional cataclysm is coming, and our only hope to stop it is with that which caused it.
The Dimensionator?
Indeed. But if
Ah!
you learn about dimensionality, I think you'll soon be able to learn how to save us all. Hopefully.
I wonder
Okay,
if
so...
I'll be able to solve all of this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since I have been a hero. And with everything that happened with the Dimensionator, I am concerned.
Times of great stress, which seems to be every day of my life, I've always found it best to take things one step at a time. Focus on what's in front of you.
Okay, let's see. Okay, got it.
Pick me up.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, I better grab that one. I don't think there's anything else over there, so let's see.
That's it, Clank! You repaired the anomaly! Now
Yay, we
one
did
step closer to
it!
stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
Now let's get out of here.
So then I says, listen, Mort, you, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Whoa!
Wait, so everybody's name's Mort?
How did you do that?
I am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you?
Look who it is! You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
just gotta lower the bridge, and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
What are we going to do there?
You'll find out soon enough.
Enemy's not getting the point.
Ooh, no weapon.
The ricochet! Pull the fire trigger to shoot it at your useless enemy! Huh? Oh my!
Okay, but oh, let's see.
That one is so hot right now. Goodbye now.
Ooh, nice. Okay, but I'll save that weapon for later.
Just have to lower the bridge somehow.
Ooh. Okay, looks like I'm gonna need this weapon.
You sure are one.
Okay, let's see.
I hope you have enough ammo.
Oh, it noticed.
You're a stubborn Grunthor too.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
A hit.
Come on, come on, come on. Got him.
No more hostiles within range.
Thanks for looking out. I'll find a way over.
In case you forgot our little system, you'll have to step on those pressure locks first to reach it. Sorry, we can't lower the bridge. Speedles kept pulling the crank, so we had to move.
Okay, now let me just grab some of the
Don't tell me,
ammos.
my glove thingy can interact with that rift thingy.
Your rift tether, yes. Try aiming at the rift.
Oh, okay, she can use the whip thing too. Oh, I think there's more enemies down there. Oh no, there's more of them.
Let me think about that.
Ah! No.
I wish you had a jetpack feature, Bolts.
I do as well.
Ah, I was supposed to use this one. Okay, so more of you. Ah, come on.
just finished locking down your hideout when those troublemakers showed up.
Come on, Bridge, seriously? There has to be another way across.
You will not succeed in jumping across.
Just scoping it out.
Okay, so how do I... Oh. Oh, I guess I get to use a snail.
Yes, but what about the Speedle?
What about it? Let's go! Almost home. And there's another Grunthor in the way.
I do regret this.
Oh, there's another one.
Come on. We both know how this is gonna end.
Do I have enough? No. Come on. Ah, I'm gonna need.
Attempt to avoid injury going forward.
Come on, come on. There you go.
And now for my final enemy, the Mortz's pressure locks.
Yeah, let me just grab some more ammo, some more health.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep. Mortz are fun like that.
Yeah, I guess I'll use this.
Time to find out the truth about you.
If only I could talk with Ratchet.
Home sweet home.
Why are you so hesitant to trust me?
Look, robots aren't really my thing. Especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am not. I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
We'll see the truth soon enough. Once I scan you and the infobot I found in Nefarious City.
Yeah, something tells me she has trust issues with robots, so...
Whew. Safe for now.
This is extremely unnecessary.
Lombax. Okay. So, you were being honest.
As I have been saying, repeatedly,
You're nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
We? I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Uh-oh! Looks like someone found your hideout.
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
oh dear, no.
Oh no, they got Clank. Yeah, let's chase after him.
Deploying amphibious explosives to neutralize hostile furball.
Hang in there, Bolts! I'm coming!
Okay, come on, come on, come on. Get him away.
That Seekerpete's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down.
Ah, I missed.
Gotta hit the flight stabilizer.
Got him.
You must be so excited for annihilation.
Okay, let's see.
Honestly, I am not impressed.
Ow. Okay, let's see. Ow.
My rope.
I do like this move.
The Emperor's got some weak standards, if that's all you got.
Yeah, come on.
Ah, backup power has almost restored the flight stabilizer. How delightful!
What? No, you're not getting away from me.
Ow. Come on, come on, come on.
Time to change tactics. Deploying amphibious explosives.
Yeah, throw whatever you want. You're not getting away from me. Gotta save Bolts.
Oh, I think that's the lamp. Let me just...
I can't get to the flight stabilizer until I jump on that thing's back.
come on, come on, come on. Got it.
Your destruction
Ow.
is definitely assured now.
Bring it.
Oh, he's gonna fly away again. Oh, okay, never mind. No.
Watch your step, Rebel.
Come on, come on.
Now hold still.
And I won.
Unfortunate.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we've still got some unfinished business. Ooh, we should see if Mort fixed up the ship.
Ooh, good idea.
By the way, how about I hook you up with the signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
That would be delightful.
Not as thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
Rivet! Ship's ready and waiting for ya!
Mort, you fixed it! Thank you. Ready to go?
Absolutely.
Started asking about you lying ears in the tail.
What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoi, Captain Quantum, Klatchki. Me. Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save before the Emperor finds us too.
Oh, cool. I get to travel the other planets. Oh, yeah, and there are some optional missions, but I might do that later, so right now let's go to the different planet.
Dialed in. Let's go. What's on your mind? Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
Okay, now I need to go look for Shoki in this place, so...
This is, Zerky's Gastropub in Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet...
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Wanna make yo enemies?
Ooh, what's this do?
I hear rain? No, it's the lightning rod. Finish them to send the lightning toward their troublesome teammates. Upgrade the lightning rod to charge up an even greater, more horrific storm of pain.
Ooh, nice. Ah, but I don't have enough to get these, so... I'll just refill.
Where that came from?
Yeah, and I better go upgrade this.
Nice mod, huh? Upgrades ready. Are you? Happy to help, hun.
Okay, let's just grab some ammo from here.
Do you spend much time here?
Yeah, this place is kind of a safe haven for the Resistance. I hope the Emperor didn't find that out too.
No weapons, so...
Welcome to Xerxes, your newly interdimensional gastropub and battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Okay, did I just grab that bear?
Slaughter with a smile.
Zerky's usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts.
Whoa, that's a big guy. Why is there a sheep here?
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my witchy.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafayette. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Uh-oh.
Is a violent spree zone. Taken outside.
I am more lover than fighter. For you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question.
Nah.
Why not?
Yeah, why not? Well, you should be in a robots by now.
That big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
Okay, let's see. Bronze, just defeat the 5 enemies. Okay, I'm gonna take a guess that silver is gonna be 10, and then I think gold is gonna be
Sign
either.
up to take out those pirates. Don't worry, I'll win you that part.
Welcome, my thieves, to Zircon Jr.'s Slaughterplex. Are you ready to witness the excitement, the pain, the carnage? Tonight, me, the Rivet, will
Ooh, I got my weapons back. Okay, I could fight. No.
Why must every dimension have a dangerous battle arena?
I will fight you both myself! But first, you must prove you are worthy!
Oh, I think I'm gonna have 5 wave. Okay.
The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Ah, yes! Tearing through the fabric of space-time! A true pirate signature!
I'm gonna need some fungi help.
Embarrassing! If I were fighting, we would have won by now! Don't let him blast you! I'll blast you yet!
Nah, I went out bullets. No. Yay! Did it!
Oh! Il! Sacré bleu! Oh! I sprained my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. What?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Is that old boy? Let's see. Okay, I got plenty of weapons. Ow! Okay, I better use this.
Why am I surprised that Pierre's running from a fight? Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal booster. Looks like you're gonna need a new partner, Pierre.
No. I'm gonna need a fungi. No. go. Okay, come on, come on, come on. And I won.
What to the who now? Rivet emerges victorious from the ravages of battle. Cheer, teams! Cheer!
A defeat? But ow! Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your back.
Ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
We're stuck here.
We have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful out there.
Oh, they said at the same time.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing.
Yeah, something tells me that Rivet is the only wombat in whole dimension.
Up before heading to Blizar Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up.
Okay, before I go to the Blizar Prime, I'm gonna go stop and take a break, so until next time, this is Anime Game Otaku 95.